In primetime news this evening, gang feud linked to deadly attack in the old capital Spanish town. Bus driver videoed in confrontation with municipal authorities has his say. And PNP downplays fears presidential race could negatively affect the party in the next general elections.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, protectionism in the region. One regional producer is insisting that the measure may do more harm than good. I'll tell you who and why later in the business day.
And from business we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening there?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the JFF General Secretary recently said the PLCA would not be in charge of seeking sponsorship for this season's Premier League. Well, the PLCA is now saying that will not be so. The details will come your way later.
All right, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the request for municipal cops to be given guns?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.